Good morning, class. Happy Halloween. Today we are going to be seeing this pumpkin quite literally erupt. We are going to make it look like a volcano. So let's see how we can do that. Here I have some hydrogen peroxide. I've already put it into our pumpkin. So the hydrogen peroxide is mixed with hydrogen and oxygen, which right here is our catalyst. This is going to be yeast that we're going to use to create our elephant toothpaste eruption. So the chemical reaction that is caused by the yeast and the hydrogen peroxide is what is going to erupt the pumpkin. So the yeast is called a catalyst, which is something that they use to speed up the process of separating the hydrogen and oxygen from the peroxide. So as you can see, I have my goggles on. I'm going to put some gloves on for safety. Always should have gloves and goggles on. We're doing science experiments. Alrighty. So we have our gloves and goggles on. Next, I have our peroxide in there. Let me make sure I have enough because I just want to make sure it's perfect. Looks good in there. It's already ready, getting foamy, ready to go. Okay, I'm gonna put some soap in there. This is just gonna react to make it just a little bit foamier. I think that would just make it look awesome. Here we go. I'm gonna start pouring some of our yeast in there. Who's ready? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Maybe we need some more hydrogen peroxide in there. Da-da-da. Oh, can't really tell, but it's starting to come up. Wait for it. Can you see it coming out yet? How cool is that? So it's continuing to erupt. I think that maybe the yeast and the hydrogen peroxide together. It's taking a little bit longer to activate, but how cool is that? So we have created our own chemical reaction, which is breaking down the molecules of our hydrogen peroxide and the yeast together. So what has been caused here? Our yeast was our catalyst, which is what we needed to make to break down the hydrogen peroxide and cause our pumpkin to erupt. Now that you know how to do this, whenever you go home, all of these are affordable items that we can do at home with our parents. I think that would be super fun. Maybe next time get a bigger pumpkin and a little bit more hydrogen peroxide. And yes, so we'll go home and show your family and that you did a chemical reaction in science today. Happy Halloween.